Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 97 and onwards of Surah Al-Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فيه آيات بينات مقام إبراهيم ومن دخله كان آمنا ولله على الناس حج البيت من استطاع إليه سبيلا ومن كفر فإن الله غني عن العالمين. Fi for fa, give hums. It will be 2 counts long. He short. The sound is very short. Fi he. Hamza is very sharp. The sound should be very clearly from your throat. Yeah, 2 counts long. Keep yeah very soft. You're lifting your tongue up, but you're not touching the palate, so the sound will be very different and very nice. Yeah, tum for the circle your lips. Attached with meme. This is iqlab. You're changing the sound of noon into meme. It was actually tun, yeah, tun, but we saw ba after that, so we changed the sound of noon into meme. Tum bayi. Ba is very clear and it is attached with yeah bayi. There is nabar. Whenever you see ya or wow with tashdid, you always give nabar and number. It's a jump of sound. Bayina na 2 counts long. Bayi. Bayina tum. Bayinatum. Idgham with gunna, keeping the sound in your nose. Maqamu. Qa is 2 counts long. It is heavy for tamma. Circle your lips. The sound is very short. Maqamu. Ib for kasra. Give e sound attached with ba. Ba will get qalqala. Ib. Ra is 2 counts long. Him. Mad arid lis sakun. So you'll make it 4 counts long and give the wasat at the end. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Wa ma. Ikhfa, and that is a light ikhfa. So you will keep this tongue in a straight position and keep the sound in your nose. Wama. Da is very sharp and short. The sound is very sharp, short. Da kho is heavy, la short. Hu 2 counts long. Da khola hu ka 2 counts long. Na short. Very sharp and 2 counts long. Mi na mat iwab. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Lil for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lafz jalala will be light here because you find kasra before it. Lillah, but it is always long. Lillahi. Ain from your throat. Lam is attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna, and that is akmal. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Alan. And then there's matna. Si for kasra, give e sound. Hij, give a misty sound in the beginning, and then kasra is very sharp, short, and attached with jim. Hijjul for dhamma, circle your lips, attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasat. Jul bay. This will be 2 counts long because this is lean. T for kasra, give is sound. Ma short. Nis for kasra, give it a kasra, very sharp sound attached with seen. Nista. Ta is short. To 2 counts long and it is heavy. Ta is light and to is heavy. So This will be a little tricky. Be careful about it. Ma nistaqa'a. Ain should be from your throat. The sound is short. E for kasra, give E sound. Lay, 2 counts long. Because this is lean. He is short. St short. B 2 counts long. And I will. La 2 counts long. Sabila. ومن إخفاء, and it is like ink, because whenever you find kaf with ikhfa, you give ink sound. ومن ka is short. Fa hums. Ra heavy. Fa hums. In for kasra, give E sound. At hamza is very sharp, attached with noon. Noon get sifa of akmal unna. In, and then lafz jalala will be heavy. Now keep noon light. Lafz jalala heavy. Now ha is short. Ghain is very heavy, attached with noon. Noon will get sifa off. Gunna, akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a long time. Ghani. Sorry, that was a wrong interpretation. Sorry. Ghain is heavy. Ni. Yun. Noon has kasra and attached with ya. Ya will get nabar. Ghani. As you will attach noon with ya, here you will give nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Wani yun for dhamma, circle your lips, and there is ibhar, so you will give tawassut. Wani yun. I'm from your throat, for fatha open your jaws. Nil for kasra, give E sound. Attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Nil, 2 counts long. Ain should be from your throat. La short. Nil. Ul, off is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Qul, ya should be very soft. 4 counts long. Give rakha on ha. Don't mix it with ha letter. Ha is totally different from ha. This is ha. This is from your lower part of your throat. Lal. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lal. Ki is short. Ta 2 counts long. The sound is very sharp. Bi short. Kitabi. Li for kasra, give E sound. Ma short. Tak. Ta is very clear. No hums. But here you will give hums on kaf, because this is with sakun. Tak fu for dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short, but there should be hums. Fu ru 2 counts long, and it is heavy. Na short. Tak furuna. Di for kasra, give E sound. Yeah, 2 counts long. Yeah, very softly 2 counts long. Til for kasra, give E sound. Lafz jalala will be light here because you find kasra before it. Til la 2 counts long. He short. Wa for wow, circle your lips, attached with lam. Who, that will be heavy. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Who is short. Sound is very clear, and for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. He is 2 counts long. Dun ibhar, and the rule is izhar, and sifa is tawassut. Shahidun. I'm from your throat. La ala 2 counts long. Ain is short from your throat, but lam is 2 counts long. Ma 2 counts long. Ta. The ta is very clear. For ain, give tawassut from your throat, should be very clearly. Ta'malun. قل يا أهل الكتاب. لي short. ما لما ta short. Sod is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. As soon you will touch dal, your lips should be in a straight position, and then you will make it 2 counts long. تصدون. Na is short. إخفاء, and that is light إخفاء because there is seen after, and seen is a light letter. S is short. B two counts long. Lillahi. For kasra, give E sound. Lafz jidala will be light here because there is kasra before it. He sabilillahi. He is short. Man for fatha open your jaws, attach a noon. Noon will get إظهار, and صفة will be توسط. من two counts long. ما short. na short. آمن تاب, that is very sharp. Give قلقلة on ba. تاب غو, غين is heavy, and make your lips in a circle position. غو na short. Ha two counts long. I from your throat. For kasra, give E sound. The sound is short. I wa short. Jaw. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose very nicely. Jaw. Wow. For wow, circle your lips. Atum. Shu. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Hada. Four counts long. وَمَا اللَّهُ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ. Lafz jalala will be heavy here. B for kasra, give E sound. Ghain is heavy. Fi, give hams. Lin, ibhar. Ain should be from your throat, attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of punna. Da is very sharp. Give the wasut on ain, and ain should be from your throat, and that will be four counts long, and give the wasut at the end because this is madarid للسكون. تعملون.